Is the snowblower starting up just fine, but completely refusing to throw snow? When the engine roars but nothing shoots out of the chute, a hidden mechanical breakdown inside the housing is usually the cause. Welcome to WholeToolBox. The issue centers on the central rotor assembly. This part is located directly inside the main front housing of the machine. The heavy-duty steel component serves as the mechanical heart of the clearing system. It spins at high speeds to feed incoming snow to the outer rubber blades, generating the necessary force to launch everything out of the discharge chute. While the rubber blades naturally wear down from ground contact, the steel structure fails for different reasons. It typically breaks down after striking hidden, immovable objects like large rocks, thick ice chunks, or concrete curbs. That sudden, high-speed impact can warp the internal driveshaft, crack the welded metal brackets, or strip out the central mounting points. Once compromised, the system can no longer transfer power to clear the snow. To safely diagnose this problem, the spark plug wire must be disconnected first to prevent the engine from starting accidentally. Once safe, try spinning the assembly manually. If it spins completely free with no resistance at all, the main drive belt has likely snapped or slipped off its pulley. However, if the drive pulley turns but the central shaft remains stationary, or if the metal frame is visibly bent and scraping against the outer housing, the rotor itself is broken and requires total replacement. Fixing this component restores full throwing power before the next winter storm arrives. A high-quality replacement kit can be found by using the link in the description below. For quality snowblower replacement parts and repair essentials, visit WholeToolBox.com. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media for more troubleshooting tips, repair guides, and maintenance advice. Thanks for watching.